And topping our news, one of the most controversial death row cases in U.S. history. Richard Glossip has had more than half a dozen execution dates set. Glossip is convicted of ordering the hit on Metro Motel owner Barry Van Treese back in 1997.
The man who carried out the hit, Justin Sneed, testified against Glossip in order to save his own life. Now, the Oklahoma Attorney General is asking the Court of Criminal Appeals to vacate Glossip's conviction.
We begin tonight with News 9's Dana Hurtnicki, who spoke today with Glossip's attorney.
The Attorney General says he's not convinced Glossip is innocent, but doesn't believe that justice is served by executing a man based on the testimony of a compromised witness. Richard Glossip has been sitting on death row for nearly a quarter of a century. He's been served 3 last meals. At one point, he was just minutes away from execution. But now, news that could be the break he's been waiting on.
He was thrilled, of course. This has been something he's been pushing for 26 years.
Key to the decision, according to Oklahoma Attorney General Gentner Drummond, is this 19-page independent counsel report that says the cumulative effect of errors, omissions, lost evidence, and possible misconduct cannot be underestimated. And a so-called 8th box that contained evidence prosecutors had withheld from defense attorneys and Drummond turned over.
We've gone through all the attorney generals in that period of time, and nobody did anything other than just hide this evidence from us. And finally, he went ahead and bravely allowed us to have a look at it all. And sure enough, you know, there's the evidence that we've been looking for all these years.
That evidence revealed Justin Sneed, the prosecution's key witness, suffered from bipolar disorder. The Court of Criminal Appeals will now have to rule on the case.
They don't necessarily have to go along with what the Attorney General has asked for. This is a request to a court, and the court can rule in the way the court wishes to.
If the court rules in favor of Glossip, the case would be sent back to Oklahoma District Court and the desk of new Oklahoma County District Attorney Vicki Bahena.
Have you talked to Vicki Bahena at all about this?
No.
The Court of Criminal Appeals can rule on the motion at any time. They could also call for oral arguments. We'll wait and see. Dana Hurtnicki, Oklahoma's own News 9.